Hello, I'm Shivam Ghosh from Stratasys Software, and we're talking about a new GrabCAD Print Pro feature called Manufacturing Templates for when you want to lock those settings down. This is a good video to watch if you or your coworkers are always trying to enforce certain rules at your work site. Rules like we only print nylon 12 carbon fiber in solid, or we only print Ultim at 20 thousandths of inch layer height, or we only print on your F900 with smart supports. Just to make it obvious what we're talking about here, there are two versions of GrabCAD Print, a free and a paid version. GrabCAD Print is free. It lets you talk to your FDM and PolyJet machines, and we're still improving it every single month, so that's not going anywhere. What we're adding to it is GrabCAD Print Pro, which will be a license per year. It'll let you talk to your SAF printers, do scanning and accuracy correction, but what we're going to talk about today is a certain feature called manufacturing templates. Let's take a look at those three rules for the beginning again. What are we really controlling in each case? Well, in the first one, we're controlling a material plus infill settings. In the second, a material plus layer height. And in the third, a machine plus support settings. If you look at GrabCAD Print, those settings are typically found on the right-hand side menu. That's what we're going to be controlling through manufacturing templates. I've taken screenshots of those three menus here for your reference, so you can kind of think of manufacturing templates as controlling all these settings plus your choice of machine. And when you make a manufacturing template, our developers actually did a really cool thing where they show you explicitly in text boxes exactly what settings you're controlling. You can't uncheck any of these text boxes yet, but that'll come in a future version. So how do you make one? Well, first you put a part in your tray. It doesn't matter which one, the part will be removed during the template process. And then you set all these settings that you can see here. And when you're ready, you go to File, Export as Manufacturing Template. That'll make a .print.mt file, which is a template. You send that print file to anyone you want to lock down these settings for, and when they open it, they get this message. And when they try to change those settings, they get this message. And there you go. You've locked down those settings for that material and machine and slice height for that user. And that way everyone from every future print on those machines will use the same correct settings. And that's how you lock everything down. If you have any more questions about GrabCAD Print Pro or want a trial license, let us know and we can make that happen for you. Thank you, and I've been Shivam Ghosh from Stratasys Software.